We all see them on the red carpet. Celebrities shine with flawless makeup. Their looks influence trends worldwide. We can't help but wonder, how do they achieve such perfection? What are the secrets behind those stunning transformations? Celebrity makeup artists hold the key. These artists are masters of their craft. They possess a wealth of knowledge and experience. They use their skills to enhance natural beauty. They create breathtaking looks for every occasion. From subtle enhancements to dramatic transformations, their work is captivating. They understand the power of makeup. Makeup can boost confidence and empower individuals. It's no wonder that people everywhere seek to uncover their secrets. One of the most sought-after secrets is achieving a flawless complexion. Celebrity makeup artists swear by meticulous skin preparation. They emphasize the importance of cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing. A well-prepped canvas ensures makeup glides on smoothly and lasts longer. Another essential tip is understanding one's skin type and undertones. This knowledge helps in selecting the right foundation and color products. Matching foundation to the neck and blending it seamlessly is crucial. It creates a natural-looking base. When it comes to eye makeup, experts recommend enhancing the natural eye shape. They suggest using neutral eyeshadows for definition and a touch of shimmer for a touch of glamour. Eyeliner should be applied strategically to accentuate the eyes. Mascara adds volume and length, opening up the eyes. Skincare plays a vital role in achieving a flawless makeup look. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. Think of it as creating a smooth canvas for an artist. Well-hydrated and healthy skin takes makeup better. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities and excess oil. Exfoliate regularly to slough away dead skin cells, revealing a brighter complexion. Follow up with a moisturizer suited for your skin type to keep it hydrated and supple. Don't forget about sun protection. Apply sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher daily. Sun damage can lead to premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and other skin concerns. Protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays will keep it looking youthful and radiant. Section 4. My journey, from fascination to fulfillment. My fascination with makeup began at a young age. I was captivated by the transformative power it possessed. I spent hours experimenting with different colors and techniques. Through trial and error, I developed a deep passion for the art of makeup. As I delved further into the world of makeup, I realized the importance of professional guidance. I sought out mentors and learned from the best in the industry. Their expertise and insights shaped my skills and knowledge. Over the years, I've had the privilege of working with renowned photographers, designers, and celebrities. Each experience has taught me something new and pushed me creatively. I'm constantly inspired by the people I meet and the transformative power of makeup. Section 5. The importance of professional guidance. While countless online resources offer makeup tips and tutorials, professional guidance is invaluable. Consulting with a qualified makeup artist can provide personalized advice and techniques. They can assess your individual needs, skin type, and desired look. A professional makeup artist can teach you the correct way to apply makeup. They can recommend products that complement your skin tone and address specific concerns. They can also introduce you to new techniques and trends. Moreover, professional makeup artists possess a keen eye for detail. They can identify areas where you may need improvement and provide constructive feedback. Their guidance can help you enhance your natural beauty and achieve the makeup looks you desire. Section 6. Elevating everyday beauty. Celebrity makeup artists' secrets are not just for the red carpet. They can be incorporated into everyday beauty routines. By adopting some of their tips and tricks, you can elevate your everyday look. Start by investing in quality skincare products. A consistent skincare routine will create a smooth canvas for makeup application. Choose products that suit your skin type and address any concerns you may have. Experiment with different makeup techniques. Don't be afraid to try new things and find what works best for you. Practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment, the more confident you'll become. Remember, makeup is a form of self-expression. Have fun with it and don't be afraid to embrace your unique beauty. Whether you prefer a natural or glamorous look, these tips can help you achieve your desired results.